Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E42 error and on the display, and you're trying to figure out what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, the E42 error means that the drive motor is drawing too much current. It's trying too hard to turn. So this could be for a couple of reasons. One of the reasons could be that there's just too much clothing. If you have a really big load of laundry and you're getting this, just take some of the clothes out and see if it doesn't get rid of the error, because then the motor will be asking for less electricity in order to turn, because it won't be so hard to turn. You also, if it's not that, you can also just check and make sure that everything's spinning freely, because again, if there's some kind of resistance, the motor will be calling for power so that it can get past that resistance. So you want to check and make sure there's no resistance there. Other than that, then we get into some kind of more technical stuff in terms of checking the wiring around the pump, the drive motor and everything like that. And so you might need to, or it could be the control board that's, sending information or receiving information from the motor. But anyways, hopefully just either reducing your load size or checking and making sure everything is turning freely will get rid of this error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.